Green fodder is the natural diet for livestock. Its production to meet the current demand has become a greatest challenge among livestock farmers. Due to many reasons, green fodder production has been facing a serious crisis, and so the livestock productivity. Owing to increasing intensive system of rearing livestock, the need for green fodder is enormous. As the gap between the demand and supply of the green fodder for livestock becoming unconquerable, researchers and farmers are in search for an alternative fodder or fodder production method that would restore fodder and livestock production. It is a known fact that animal diet is incomplete without including green fodder. They are staple feed for bovines. For economical and sustainable dairying, fodder production around the year is highly essential. To overcome fodder availability crisis, hydroponic fodder production technique is unique and low-cost technology than traditional fodder production method. Green fodders, produced by growing seeds without soil but in water or nutrients-rich solutions, are known as hydroponics green fodder. Compared to conventional methods of growing fodder, hydroponic fodder requires lesser space and produces highly nutritious fodder than soil farming. The hydroponic fodder growing system, in a simple way, we can say that it consists of a framework of shelves on which plastic trays are stacked. The seeds selected must be clean and unbroken seeds. If you start with unbroken seeds, they probably will not germinate and then begin to mold in the system. We should make sure that seeds have not been treated. After soaking overnight, a layer of seeds is spread over the base of trays. The seeds will usually sprout within 8 to 12 hours after soaking. During the first 8 days, very little light is needed as the energy for the growth is in the seed itself. The partially germinated seed is regularly sprinkled with water. Within a period of 7 to 8 days, there is profuse growth of fodder which is ready for feeding to the animals. The technique has its utility because of high ratio of seed to fodder. 1 kg of seed can yield 8 to 10 kg of green fodder within limited time span of 7 days. Hydroponic fodder is much more easily digestible, full of nutrients and enzymes that the energy spent on this digestion process would be far less, with the resultant extra energy being diverted to milk production and growth. Hydroponic green fodder consumes 98% less water than conventional method, and the used water is recycled. It takes only 8 days duration to develop from seed to fodder, while it takes 45 days for a conventional fodder to grow. Enhance nutritive value, as the fodder contains the seed along with the fodder. It has higher crude protein content than conventional green fodder. It reduces the feed cost spent on the concentrate feed to half. A study conducted by Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University indicates milk production increases by 1 to 3 liters per cow. In terms of quality also, there is an increase of 0.3% in fat and 0.5% in SNF, fetching better prices for the farmers.
ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ NIMPR ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ. 3 kg ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಲು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ SNF ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಲು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಹಾಲು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಬಂದರೆ 1,500 ರಿಂದ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ರೈತರಿಗೆ.
Up to 1,000 kg green fodder can be produced from 480 square feet area daily, which is equivalent to conventional fodder of CO4 variety produced in 25 acres of cultivable land. Use 99% less land than conventional production method. Fodder can be produced round the year irrespective of the failure of monsoon, land availability, natural calamities, labor shortage. It requires minimal manpower and time. Fodder is grown completely natural without the use of any pesticides. Hydroponic fodder, along with seed and root, sprout mat, are highly edible and are rich in protein, 10 to 17%. Production cost is optimal when compared to conventional fodder production. Cost of production is 2 rupees 50 paise per kg of hydroponic maize fodder. Hydroponic machine, 1000 kg capacity, consumes only 40 units of current per day. Water conserving hydroponic technology is a state-of-the-art technology that has revolutionized the fodder production system during the past decades across the globe. There is no doubt that it will play a major role in reducing the green fodder demand and supply gap in our country as well as state. For further details, please contact Dr. Giridhar K. girikanu@gmail.com, Dr. Letha Devi G. lethaayur@gmail.com.